Black holes are some of the most baffling and remarkable objects in the universe, still captivating scientists and astrophysicists worldwide. These celestial objects, with their enormous gravitational pull and total absence of emitted light, are the limits beyond which known principles of physics no longer apply. It was first conceived by Albert Einstein in 1916 as a consequence of his general theory of relativity. Black holes remained speculative for decades. Not until great advances in observational technology in the 20th century was their indirect detection possible. That anything so powerful and invisible could hide in the universe was itself so captivating that it launched an entire new field of astrophysics. The breakthrough came in the 1960s when scientists studying the Cygnus constellation discovered an unusual star, a brilliant blue star emitting high-energy X-rays. This object, which was orbiting an unseen partner, baffled scientists until they concluded that it was in a gravitational association with a gargantuan black hole called Cygnus X1. This finding provided the first definite proof of black holes' existence and opened up a new generation of investigation into these mysterious cosmic phenomena. The recognition that such grotesque bodies not only existed but were actually playing with their cosmic neighbors radically shifted the way we perceived the cosmos. Dagnos X1, located about 6,000 light-years from the Earth, has boggling attributes. Its gravity and density are so intense that not even light can be released from its grasp, a feature that summarizes the mysteriousness of what exists as a black hole. Since then, scientists have discovered numerous more black holes located throughout the universe. Present estimates are that our own Milky Way alone can hold more than 100 million of them, quietly hiding, engulfing matter, and influencing galaxies in ways we are only just starting to discover. Even though they are shy, making them tricky to spot directly, astronomers have discovered many possible black holes from those created through the deaths of massive stars, stellar mass black holes, to supermassive ones in the centers of galaxies. These supermassive black holes, usually billions of times more massive than our Sun, serve as gravitational anchorages upon which galaxies are all rotating. The influence of these objects far surpasses their boundary, governing the evolution of cosmic structures and molding the motion of matter in their vicinity. Quasars, among the universe's brightest objects, are driven by matter that heats up as it spirals towards supermassive black holes, producing radiant beacons that shine billions of light-years into space. When a body approaches too close to a black hole, it crosses a boundary called the event horizon. Past this point, gravitational forces prevail, placing the body under crushing tidal stresses. This destructive process, known as spaghettification, stretches matter into long filaments that look much like strands of pasta. The gravitational gradient is so severe that it tears the interior of the object apart and it is pulled in to be absorbed into the singularity at the center of the black hole. This intense interaction graphically portrays the tremendous power that these events have. It's a nearly unimaginable destiny for anything that ventures too near, showing why black holes have so often been called cosmic monsters. Though black holes provide unprecedented capabilities for probing the limits of theoretical physics, they are still shrouded in mystery. Researchers continue to try to decipher their secrets, motivated by the desire to improve our understanding of the very fabric of space-time and the nature of gravity. These heavenly objects, despite being light-years from us, the closest one about 2,500 light-years away, still raise suspicions and alarm because of their profound impact. Are they potentially part of the universe's final destiny? Are their unknown mechanisms the solution to comprehending how reality itself is knitted together? It was in 2021 that scientists made history by taking the first ever direct image of a black hole, which is at the center of the M87 galaxy. This unprecedented feat provided important information regarding the internal structure and nature of black holes. The photograph showed that black holes are not featureless emptiness. Instead, they have complex layers. That radiant ring, hotter than whole galaxies, showed the sheer might of matter being ripped asunder and seared as it danced on the brink of nothingness. Detailed examination showed three prime areas. The furthest out is the event horizon, the absolute limit beyond which there is no escape. Within that is the photon sphere, where light gets caught in ongoing orbit because of the strong gravitational field. At the center is the singularity, a point where the existing laws of physics fail completely, leading scientists into realms controlled by conjecture and new theory. To this day, the singularity is one of the most befuddling enigmas in science, a region where gravity is limitless, time twists, and all existing knowledge fails. Black holes, while sharing this fundamental three-layer structure, are remarkably diverse in behavior and characteristics, resisting any reductionist categorization. Some rotate at virtually the speed of light, pulling spacetime itself into a vortex motion. Others accrete by consuming stars, gas clouds, and even other black holes, coalescing into even greater monsters. As a result, customary scientific procedures frequently fall short in studying them, and new methods have had to be pioneered. Since their overwhelming gravity fields render direct investigation impracticable, indirect approaches continue to be the main method of study. Any spacecraft that tried to delve into a black hole would be squashed by forces inside and would vanish with no hint of existence. Yet, scientists continue, driven by curiosity and by the will to uncover the secrets surrounding these cosmic monsters. Several hypotheses seek to describe the origin and characteristics of black holes, including those associated with stellar evolution and cosmological phenomena. Some black holes arise when massive stars collapse under their own weight, whereas others might have been present in the earliest seconds of the universe. NASA's observation of the core of M87 provided strong evidence for a supermassive black hole dominating huge regions of space. In spite of the significant challenges presented by their research, scientists press on, driven by a passion for greater knowledge and hope. Black hole research is more than a theoretical hurdle, it is an exploration of what it means to exist. Roy Kerr's seminal work in 1963 brought a revolutionary idea into being by developing a model of rotating black holes, overturning much of what had previously been thought. At the heart of this framework was the ergosphere, a strange region surrounding a rotating black hole where space itself gets pulled by rotation, offsetting gravitational collapse and keeping things from falling inward even further. This area exhibited strange behavior that indicated greater mysteries at work. The ergosphere also suggested the intriguing potential for tapping black hole energy, later formalized in the Penrose process, which would theoretically enable civilizations to tap power from these galactic behemoths. One of the most intriguing ideas to come out of Kerr's theory was the potential existence of an Einstein-Rosen bridge, more commonly referred to as a wormhole. A wormhole, in terms of general relativity, could be a bridge across spacetime, possibly connecting far-off places or even parallel universes. This is based on the comprehension of the universe as a four-dimensional spacetime fabric which warps and curves around massive bodies. Wormholes are conceptualized as tubes through this warped fabric, providing hypothetical shortcuts over vast distances. If stable, they could, in theory, enable journeys between stars or even galaxies instantaneously. However, the feasibility of wormholes is extremely uncertain. Theoretical obstacles such as instability, quantum interference, and powerful radiation make their existence and operation hypothetical at best. While intriguing, the concept of faster-than-light travel through wormholes encounters serious challenges. Einstein's own theories suggest speed limits that wormholes are unlikely to circumvent. However, the temptation of such galactic portals persists to drive scientists, promising visions of crossing galaxies and exploring similar worlds. Wormholes, in their theoretical beauty, represent the untapped potential of the cosmos and the relentless human desire to extend beyond established horizons. The search for a combined theory that unites gravity and quantum mechanics, a so-called theory of everything, has become one of the highest aspirations of contemporary science. Leading this charge is the renowned physicist Mayoku, whose groundbreaking work has contributed to the evolution of superstring theory. This theory deviates from the notion of point particles, rather arguing that the universe consists of one-dimensional vibrating strings. Different particles are represented by different vibrations, similar to the way different notes play on a violin string. According to superstring theory, the cosmos can be likened to a symphony of resonating energy patterns. Importantly, the theory offers potential explanations for the bizarre and puzzling features of black holes, wormholes, and other anomalies predicted by Einstein's equations. However, the framework introduces new challenges by requiring the existence of additional dimensions far beyond the familiar 3 spatial and 1 temporal dimension. These additional dimensions, curled up and upon themselves, cannot be seen directly but are thought to define the geometry of our universe. Metaphors like fish swimming in a 2-dimensional lake can be used to describe how higher dimensions could exist without being known. While impossible to detect at human sizes, such dimensions might be responsible for the most basic properties of matter and energy. The mathematics of superstring theory has also reawakened interest in the connection between physics and geometry, showing complex interconnections between mathematical patterns and physical processes. Although still theoretical, the implications of superstring theory are enormous. If confirmed, it would bring all forces of nature together within one beautiful system, answering questions that humanity has asked for centuries. Though sophisticated, superstring theory is still untested by experiment, largely due to the fact that additional dimensions are invisible. Consequently, it is at present located firmly in the realm of abstract mathematics and theoretical conjecture. Nevertheless, its intellectual richness continues to inspire intellectuals across various disciplines to rethink the design of the universe and open up entirely new areas of investigation. In addressing the mystery of quantum black holes, physicists have encountered a challenge that strikes at the heart of contemporary science. For decades, efforts to merge quantum mechanics with gravity have not succeeded. Edward Witten, one of the leading thinkers in the area, once called superstring theory a 21st-century idea that fell in the 20th century. In recent times, however, there has been some breakthrough. Independent research teams have shown that string theory could explain some black hole enigmas, at least on simplified 2-dimensional models rather than the full 10-dimensional model. These experiments suggest that unification of physics may not be as out of reach as it would seem. Though this is a significant step forward, the final solution is still elusive. Progress towards a complete unified theory persists, taking scientists further into the enigma of reality and abstraction. Black holes, with their unimaginable power and intricacy, provide crucial clues to the nature of the universe. But they also highlight the boundaries of human comprehension. Every discovery appears to open new doors, casting even greater question marks on what else is out there. I can keep building this narrative into a full 2,000-word script if you'd like me to expand further into topics such as Hawking radiation, black hole thermodynamics, the role of black holes in galaxy formation, time dilation near event horizons, and the possibility of black holes being gateways to new universes.